G'day, welcome to Man's Science Prospecting. My name's 𝗏𝘃𝗶𝗏 and this morning I'm at the Bendigo showgrounds for the Bendigo Goat Expo. Am I in the right spot?
No.
I'm not.
No, you went the wrong way.
Right, well, I think I'm in the right spot now. Where to first? There's not a huge crowd. And it's not from coronavirus, because this is from last year's prospecting show. Which is cool, which means I'm going to get a look at all the cool stuff without having to fight everyone. Just had an interesting conversation with the guys at 𝗏𝘃𝗶𝗴 about the new SDC coils. Something that puts me off them is that they're not waterproof, which, well, in Bendigo there's not a lot of water, but yeah, I'm not sure I'd be happy with a non-waterproof coil, because there's plenty of places I do go where there is water and I want to stick that coil in the water. So I think that's going to be a no for me anytime in the near future. But, you know, check them out. Gee, that's all right. So, it's a gold coin to have a go. Is it a gold coin or was that two gold coins?
$7 for a bag.
Oh, $7 a bag.
I've got $14 invested in this.
$14. Okay, so he needs more than 0.1 of a gram. So you said this you get out of these bags you've got better than you get out in the wild.
Yep. I never get a decent pan like that. I always get way less than that.
Ah. So
if you want to find gold, don't come out looking with me.
Where do you go?
𝗦𝗿𝗵𝗶 mostly.
𝗦𝗿𝗵𝗶.
And 𝗏𝘃𝗶𝗏.
Well, I won't go there then. Is just how well it's going to break up some of the clay stuff that I have to deal with.
50 mil wide.
I know it's got the jets and all, but...
Just obviously undo them.
Oh, okay, so it is... Oh, and this dream mat stuff.
Holds it on, obviously.
So there's a little... Oh, hang on. Anti-clockwise, because it's upside down. Okay, so that's pretty simple.
Yeah.
I want that one.
You want that one? Well, something I don't have is a decent mortar and pestle. Ouch. $145? Back in my day, we would have carved one for ourselves out of stone. So I could do with a 𝗏𝘃𝗶𝗏, but I'm not sure I want to pay $75 for one. That's not a bad price for a new tool. It's just, I like old tools. Not just because they tend to cost less than new tools, but I like old tools. This is more my thing, old stuff. Old scales, miner's lamps, crucibles. Look at the size of that. We don't seem to hear much about the Garrett detectors here in Australia, but the Americans swear by them. They are huge. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, can you stand next to those detectors for perspective? That's big. So last year was the first time they ran the prospecting show, and unfortunately the second one, which is meant to be on in a couple of weeks' time, no, not happening. Hope you enjoyed this quick video of the gear that I saw. If you did, please hit the like button, please leave us a comment, and maybe even subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. And the next video where I'm talking about this new piece of gear, it's fabulous. Oi! Go away!
Dad, can I have another?
Go away! Go away! I am filming, I'm working. Grr. Back in my day, we would have carved one for ourselves out of stone. Go away.